Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to replace camera glass in your iPhone 6s or iPhone 6. They're pretty much same. You can buy new glass. I'll provide a link below. Here's the new glass, and then there's adhesive for it. So all you have to do, just hit it up pretty good. Okay, once you hit up this thing, now you can use a knife or something to clean the rest of the glass cracked. So just be careful, take your time and clean the broken glass. It comes out pretty easy. If you need to use more heat gun to hit it up pretty good, it's coming off really easy once you hit it up pretty good. Now clean the bezel, make sure it's clean really well, so you can install new adhesive. Make sure the camera is clean too. Might have some dust in it or something. Clean it really well. Okay, now it's clean. I can install new adhesive. And this camera glass. So it just went. And now you can just stick in the new glass in it. Here you go, you have pretty much new glass. As you can see, really easy to install it. Press on it, make sure it's really sitting pretty well inside. Thanks for watching, bye bye.